It's Sunday, February 6th, and it's my mother-in-law's birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Today we're going to see if we can finish this wing. Not finish, we're going to get started on this wing, getting those mandrels, those rivets cleaned up, and if there's any mandrels sticking up, we'll just get those knocked down just a little bit, smooth those out a touch. And so we'll work on the top side, get that done, then we got to flip it over and do the bottom side, and then we'll be done with that part of it. After that, we're probably going to be, probably not today, but the next thing on the list we got to do is a little bit of work on the side skin on the fuselage, and I think boot cowl I think comes up. So anyways, yep, here we go. Hey, it's a nice day today. Really nice day. It's, I think we're going to be in the mid-40s, 50s maybe. But looking pretty good out there today. We're progressing along here, and we got done with this wing, checking these rivets. They're all pretty good, except again, like on the top side of both wings is where those 42 length rivets go in through that stringer. They pull just a little bit long, so most of those, probably 3/4 of them, had to be just sanded off the top. And the way we did that was we take blue tape, we put blue tape over it, then we sand on there until we get through the tape and then onto the mandrel, and then right when we get that sanded down a little bit, take the tape off, and it's just nice and smooth across there. So yeah, lost my train of thought.
Drilled out a couple of rivets.
Oh yeah, I did find a few more rivets that I wasn't real happy with, so I drilled those out, replaced those. That was pretty quick, easy to do with the wing upside down like this because we got the access covers here. We can take those off and get a vacuum cleaner in there and vacuum out that stuff when we drill it out. But anyways, we're gonna move this wing back onto the sling and then go on from there.
The wing is on the sling. What's that cool flashing inside there? Could it be that someone left the flashlight inside the wing? Is that what you did?
It could be. Let's see if I can get to it here.
And it's now inside the spar. I'm not the only one that drops things.
Oh.
don't push this too much, you're gonna run into the other airplane. I hear it.
All right.
Ta-da!
Sorry. Okay, done for the day here. Got our wings put back over here. Got the fuselage back in its normal spot over there. Got done with our sanding those, the mandrels that were sticking out, sanding those down. Got that done. And got this over here and did a little work, not work. We looked at the instrument panel mount. We have to take some stuff over to the avionics shop. They are cutting the panel and painting it for us. So I'd take the throttle sub panel down there, so we grabbed that, and also going to be fabricating the parking brake and cabin heat controls are going to be over on the left side over there. So we got to get those, get that panel, sub panel fabricated and figured out what that's actually going to look like, so they can get that part cut for us too, cut, painted, and labeled. The other thing that we're going to be doing is this side skin was a little, it moves kind of easy. It's kind of oil cans in here a little bit, right there. I think we're going to see if we're going to figure something out here. I don't know if it's going to be sticking a stiffener in there or what we're going to do, but we got to look at that and figure that out. So that's kind of the next thing on our list, is to figure that stuff out. After that, we've got boot cowl coming up, and the boot cowl is this part here, this covering that goes over this, and that's when the firewall goes in, the engine mount. Then we'll get this thing on its nose wheel at some point. We'll still have to use a sawhorse in the back, since we don't have an engine on this to weigh the front end down. But coming up soon is boot cowl and firewall work, so we're looking forward to that. Anyways, anything else from you? No? Okay. Well, that's it for today, and everybody have a good evening. Thanks for watching, and that's it for now.